Hey, welcome to Charged Up Cook. My name is Tom. One of my favorite places to go, a restaurant, Red Robin. I love their bonsai burger. So today I am going to make you a Hawaiian teriyaki burger with some pineapple. I had these Omaha steaks, the burgers in the freezer. So I thought, what a better way to use them. So let me get the camera on my grill over here and let's get going. So I don't usually buy Omaha steaks. We just happen to have them. The best thing about the burgers, they're frozen. They can go right on the grill. So we're going to give them a few minutes to cook up and we'll be back. All right, those burgers have been on about 4 minutes. Let's just give them a look. And what I like to use, I don't know if you've tried this sauce, taste this stuff, 15 calories, all natural. Awesome, awesome product. They have many flavors. Give them a try, but let's go ahead and take a look what's going on under the hood there. All right, let's get some of the sauce on. There we go. Do a little bit more right in the middle. So this is actually sesame ginger teriyaki. Definitely check them out. Just wanted to come back for a minute and give you another look. We're about 7 minutes in. I did add my pineapple slices. Fresh would be better, but I'm just using canned today. It's just me. It's almost lunchtime, so we're excited about this video. We're excited about having some lunch here in a bit. I just gave those burgers a flip. I'm going to add some more sauce. Some on the pineapple. You know what? While that's cooking up, let's get our bun ready. So actually, for this, I'm going to use a sesame Kaiser. And what I did is I got some avocado mayonnaise, and I mixed in a little bit of sea salt. I got some avocado mayonnaise, and I mixed in some soy sauce and a little bit of Meat Church Blanco seasoning. So let's go ahead and get this on the bun. Sorry you can't see that. We're just going to get this all coated all over. Get a little bit more on there. So go ahead and check that out. So that's all coated with that avocado mayonnaise and some soy sauce and a little bit of seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on the grill. I'll pull up the other camera just so you can see what everything's looking like in there. Get that on. Give our burgers a flip. They're almost done. Give our pineapple a flip. Nice grill marks on there. Oh, look at that one. Oh, don't lose it. Oh, we lost it. Oh, well. Well, I did 4. I only need 2. I'm just going to do a little bit more of this teriyaki ginger. Then we'll get that brushed around. Take a look at that. That's just looking completely delicious. All right, we're really close. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And I got some sharp cheddar cheese slices. Are really thin, so I'm going to double up. Look at that. Look how hot it is in there. That stuff's just starting to melt. Check my bun. Yep, let's get the bun off. Looking pretty toasty. Get that set up. So we're just going to let that cheese melt a bit, and then we're going to come back and we're going to assemble. All right, we're going to go ahead and assemble this burger. I apologize, my back's going to be to you. Hopefully you can hear me okay, but I'm going to double plate because the grill's still kind of hot. There you can see the bun. Now we're just going to go ahead and get a burger on there. All right. I am going to give a shot of this little sauce here on there. Get our pineapple on there. And then if you see any of my other videos, I do a cheesy onion. So I'm cheating a little bit. This is actually something I did the other day. So it's just cheese, onion, a little bit of mustard on the grill. Look at that. That's beautiful. You get that on there. We're going to go ahead. So one of my pet peeves, I hate seeing tomato go on something and it not get seasoned. So we're going to season this tomato. I hope. There we go. And a little bit of lettuce. Get that on there. All right. And then we'll get that moved over and come back and show you what it looks like cutting. All right, we're back. I apologize for this camera, but I want you to be able to see the final product. So here we go. I did add on some pickled ginger, if you can see that pink on top there. Something I really like. So let's get this top on and give you guys a look. So there's the burger. You got the pineapple, the tomato, everything in there. So the final reveal here. I don't know, do I do a little McDonald's CEO bite or do I just get into it? I have some friends that give me a hard time because I really enjoy this stuff when I do my taste test. So Red Robin, look out. That is absolutely phenomenal. I appreciate you guys watching. Check out some of my other videos. Leave some comments. Let me know what else you want me to cook back here in my backyard. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.